Welcome to our guide on withdrawing money from Expert Option using your mobile device. In this video, we will walk you through each step you need to take. First, let's look at the different withdrawal options available. You can choose from bank transfers, e-wallets, or credit cards, depending on your preference. Now, let's initiate a withdrawal. Open the app, go to the Withdraw section, and follow these steps carefully. It's important to verify your identity before making a withdrawal. This helps to keep your account secure. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the options provided. Each method has different processing times. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Double-check to ensure accuracy. Processing times can vary based on the method chosen. Typically, e-wallets are faster than bank transfers. If you encounter issues, check your account details, ensure you've met the withdrawal requirements, or reach out to support. Here are some tips to ensure your withdrawals are successful. Keep your app updated, verify your details, and be aware of any limits. In conclusion, withdrawing from Expert Options mobile app is straightforward if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching.